Hello everyone and welcome to this Global GPT tutorial where we'll be showing you how to use it like a pro. Now Global GPT is a great tool you can use to enhance your workflow and increase your speed. If you're looking for a tool where you can have the different AI options right in one place, Global GPT is a great tool for that. Right away, you can see how the interface looks like. On the left side panel, you can see some features or functionalities. At the bottom here, you can download the iOS app. Then also here at the bottom, you can switch from light mode to dark mode. We like dark mode. And then you could also change the language by clicking on English here. In this case, you have Chinese, Russian, Spanish, and German. Now away from that, you'll see your name right here. And when you click on the arrow, you can see your name at the top again. You can see your crypto wallet address, your balance in dollars, and you also have the chance to share to earn. So instead of just using Global GPT for questions and answers for research or as your AI assistant, you can also earn some money on the side. If you'd like to contact customer care, you can go ahead and click on contact us or log out if you want that option. Here's where you're going to be seeing the history of all your search options, the gallery, the model, advanced agent, and my tools. Right here, we're going to be discussing on my tools, and at the top right here, you can see we're currently on GPT 4.0 as the default mode. When you click on add tools, it will bring a pop-up of different options which you could have at a glance. So for example, if you'd like to have Grok 3 beta, you'd like to have deep research, Midjourney version 7, DeepSeek, and then you have the chat options right here. You have the image generation options. We're going to be choosing Flux and DALL-E 3. And for now, we can say click on add and you'll be seeing all of them populate right here at the top. Exactly. So you can see that you're creating something that looks like different tabs, although this is still here on Global GPT. So this is Grok 3 beta, deep research, Midjourney, DeepSeek, Flux, DALL-E. Now, because we're in Midjourney, you can see that we can make a prompt here, apply some parameters, and then at the bottom here, you could generate your image. So if you're trying to generate image from text, you could do this right here with the Midjourney version 7. You also have Flux here, which is also another text to image generator. You also have DeepSeek, which is a recent AI development, just like Gemini and ChatGPT. So here, we've just shown you how you can utilize the tools available to speed up your workflow, whether it's generating images from text or actually using ChatGPT with the ChatGPT 4.0 or the X version of the AI search. You can go ahead and choose any of these options. Then you also have a new chat. If you would like to continue with a new chat, you just simply need to click on new chat. And also you can see the chat history right here. The same button is right here, so do take note of that. Now, when we go over to advanced agent, you can see deep research, which is basically the same model. As you can see, we just clicked on deep research and it took us right here. So the drop down for advanced agent is just another way to search for other modes of your Global GPT in order to speed up your work. Then you have models. Now these are the different models available. It says pay once, access all top AI model and agents. So you can see the different AI models and agents, and this looks like an AI enthusiast paradise because right here, you can select any option you want. You have the social media assistant where you have the Instagram caption, Instagram content if you're into content creation on any of the social media platforms. Then you also have social contact, role playing. Let AI pretend to be someone else and talk to you. You could use this for a survey or to make your A and B testing to get the best output in your content creation. There are other options here to explore, which you can do yourself. And then you have modes on health. Now, when we click on the upgrade plan, you can see that there are 3 plans, the basic, the pro, and the unlimited. You could also see the usage quota for each of these payment plans. This also helps you to understand that there are limits to using Global GPT. So if you're really trying to be a pro, you might want to go ahead and select the pro option here with these features. For example, we talked about image generation and you can see 200 plus images. While here in the basic, you don't have the image generation option. So do take note of the limitations that come with using a free plan, but if you upgrade to a certain plan, you can have a better set of features as well. When we click on gallery right here, you can see the different creations by different users over time right here on Global GPT. And who knows, you might be seeing yours right here after you've been able to create some stunning images while here on Global GPT. So that's basically it. You can use Global GPT to improve your workflow, boost your productivity, and use the different AI models right here in one place. This way, you will be using it as a pro and advance your work.